guys, today I'm making an Indian sweet called Burfee. We'll be spending Eid in lockdown, so I'm only making a small amount. In a bowl, combine your milk powder along with your dessert cream. Mix it together well till you have a crumbly mixture. Pour the mixture through a sieve and sift completely till you have fine grains. Then add in your ground almonds, ground cardamom, and ground nutmeg. Mix everything together well and transfer it back into the bowl. To make the syrup, in a pot on high heat, add in your butter, powdered sugar, and milk. Mix it occasionally to allow the butter to melt and the sugar to dissolve. Allow it to boil till the milk evaporates and the mixture thickens. Remove it from the heat and pour the syrup a little at a time into the milk powder mixture. Mix well till you have a soft, sticky dough. It's very likely that you won't need all of the syrup, so don't pour in everything at once. Once everything is mixed together well, you can shape as desired from here. I like to use an ice cream scoop to scoop out little mounds. Decorate with some colored almonds and allow it to set for about an hour. And it's ready to serve, or store in an airtight container till needed. Enjoy!